Hello friends, welcome to Code Coding. In this video, we are going to learn how to sort the array list. So the java.util package, it is the same package that have the array list class. The java.util package provide a utility class called collections. So this collections is different from the collection interface, which is related to the collection framework. So this is the collections class, which has a static method called sort. So using the collections.sort method, we can easily sort the array list. So we don't need to do anything. We just need to make use of this sort method of collections class. And inside this sort method, we need to pass our array list and it will by default sort our array list in the ascending order. So let's see how we can make use of this sort method. So here we have this array list city name, and this list is containing the names of different cities here: Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Delhi. Now what I will do, I will just provide here collections. Here we have the class in java.util collections. So see, it is getting imported here. Import java.util.collections, collections.sort, and inside this sort you need to pass your array list, so which is city name. And let's print the array list before sorting and after sorting. So before we have printed the array list, and after that we are sorting our array list and then again printing the array list. Now let's run this code. So here you could see initially we have assigned the values to the array list Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Delhi, and now the collections.sort has sorted our array list with the ascending order. So first we are getting Delhi, then Mumbai, then Pune. Now let's try to create another array list with the integer data type, and then we will sort that array list. Now let's declare one more array list here. Array list of integer type, integer. Let's say roll number is equal to new array list. So this is the array list we have declared. Now let's add values inside this array list. Roll number dot add. And let's say here I have added the value 12. Some random values we will enter. Let's copy this statement. We have added 3 elements, 12, then 9, and then 100. And if I try to say here collections.sort, collection, and here roll number is the name of the list, and then we will print roll number. So here we have added the elements in the order 12, 9, 100, but this collections.sort will sort our elements in the descending order here. So the order will be 9, 12, and 100. Let's run this code. So see, we are getting a 9, 12, and 100. So in this way you can sort the elements in the ascending order by using collections.sort.